you can now build a home with Toll Brothers for under $700,000. That's right. I know home prices have gone up, skyrocketed in the last couple of years. Hence, Toll Brothers came out with a new collection of homes. And in this collection, the homes are between 3 and 4 bedrooms, about 1,800 to 2,500 in square footage. It's called the Meadow Collection, and the base price of these homes are anywhere between $600,000 to $675,000, and you can tastefully build a home for under $700,000. So today I'm taking you on a tour on this Allatoona model home, which is a 3-bedroom, 3 baths with a little over 2,300 square feet with phenomenal upgrades. So let's begin this tour coming up right now. Hey, real quick, if you are interested in a larger home with Toll Brothers, make sure to click this link right here and let's get back to the tour. This will be the door for the garage, 2-car garage. Now there are so many upgrades in this home. By the time you get done building this home, it's gonna look completely custom. Now you may ask, what are the amenities in this neighborhood and what are the schools? The schools are Arnold Mill Elementary, which is right next door. You have Mill Creek Middle School and River Ridge High School. Phenomenal schools. Also in the neighborhood, you will find swimming pool, pickleball court, a playground, lots of green space, a cabana that you will absolutely enjoy. So finally, let's talk about what is there to do around here and what you will enjoy doing. Imagine a place where charm meets modern living, where history is preserved yet vibrantly alive. This is downtown Woodstock, which is just 5 minutes from Vista Ridge. Here the streets are lined with historic buildings, boutique shops, exquisite dining experiences, galleries showing local art, breweries, and parks for kids. The amphitheater is a key attraction for both residents and visitors. There are always seasonal events, concerts that take place in the theater, which you will absolutely enjoy. Also, the thrill of retail just 7 minutes from the Vista Ridge community at the outlet shops at Woodstock, where you can immerse yourself in a shopper's paradise with an array of designer brands at your fingertips. So if you are someone that loves watching new construction home tours, then you definitely want to check out my playlist by clicking right over here. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to click right over here. And if you'd like to work together, you'll find my information right along here somewhere. And I'll look forward to talking to you soon.